Evening all, and welcome back to Final Upgrade, where we're going to pick up where we left off last time, and trying to remember what we were doing because it's been a week and I haven't played this at all. So I remember we had lots of colonies going on, and loads of them wanted plastic and loads of them wanted copper, and we have a copper place here being made. Which I think is kind of where we were. Let's carry this on here and then finish off all the bits here. And hopefully that will allow us to go. We're still making iron here, that's fine. Hopefully we can make some copper too. Get going. Oh, we do need to actually change a little bit here, I realised. Where are we? Right there. Because we need a door in here, otherwise our people are running around, which is not ideal. But also, they would probably making some more robots in here. Now I think about it, let's do that. Let's expand our construction ship to have more robots. And we'll see if we can get into some combat stuff going on today, or some other bits and pieces. I do want to look at getting some plastic going, so maybe we should do that. This place wants nickel. Oh, there we go. They are automatically grabbing the copper and doing that, and then the copper is being stamped into copper blocks. That's awesome. Right, let's put in a hatch there. Awesome. And then they're going to upgrade their own ship as well. Cool. Awesome. Okay. And, I think we set up all the trade routes already, so things are doing what they're supposed to be doing. And everything is kind of working the way it's supposed to be working. I don't remember how many miners and stuff we have. Let's see here. Let's look at our ships, which is that one. So we have an energy carrier which is doing its own thing. A block trader, 2 block traders, a basic miner. Are you down on the planet? Yes, you are. You're down there for 50 seconds getting iron ore. That's interesting. Right, let's pause the game, shall we? And let's see whether we can find those because they keep running. Basic miner. Right. Do you have iron ore? Why did you only grab? Oh, it's because you're doing this here, aren't you? Yeah, okay. Hey, you really shouldn't be called a basic miner as well. You should be actually called a miner Mark II. Miner Mark II. And you should be the same. You should be a miner Mark II. Where are you? You're above. Now that's interesting that they're taking the copper. Let's have a look at our runs here. So we've got a priority 6-1 coming from there, priority 4 from there, priority 4 from there, a priority 4 from there. Copper ore. We've got a 0 from there. We've got a 4 from there and a 4. Ah, so yeah, they are taking the iron first. That does make sense. Does make sense. Okay. Then copper we transfer into there, which is a priority 4. Iron blocks we transfer into here, which is also a priority 4. iron ingots. We have a priority 0 going to the base, but that's going to Earth, but that's fine. And then we have 2 priority 4s going out to these new colonies here. Right. Okay. Okay. So what we need is some form of plastic. Didn't we build another station somewhere? Did I also going to build another station? You're our tank one. I feel like I was going to build another station. Yeah. You've got a little bit of oil. You can't be mined. You can't be mined. You've got a little bit of oil. Let's have a look at oil. In fact, let's go to the tech tree. And let's go up here. And see here. So we have plastic plates. Okay. We have electricity from fuel. So we can produce fuel from oil and then make electric burners. That could be useful. So we have plastic from oil. So let's have a look at oil. Clicky click. We have level 3 deposits here and here for oil. So I think it makes sense to build an oil refinery here. And then have our tanker go down, pick up the oil and bring it back in here. Make sense? Water harvest. So plastic. What is this station? U. That just takes oil and produces plastic from oil. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Build station. Build it there. Plastic plates. No, we don't want Earth to do it. We want to come here. And we want to go you. Jump to here. And you want to construct that, which I'm kind of hoping it only requires, yeah, just requires iron, nothing else. Awesome. So they can do that. Be all happy about it. I'm actually going to modify their ship as well. I feel like this makes so much more sense to do this. Can you do your ship first, please? Because then they can come in, grab the goods, and go straight up. That just makes more sense in my head. So, go build that, and then you're going to jump to wherever you're going to jump to. Boom. And there we go. They can come out now. And awesome. Okie dokie. That makes more sense. And I've purposely got 3 areas there rather than just having one large one. Because then they grab 3 lots at once, which means they fill up their stack quicker. Awesome. So you build that. You're full. With the energy carrier, you're doing that. You're grabbing copper ingots and you're selling them. Isn't that right? Yep. Okay, so we have plastic. What do you want? Oh, you want iron blocks. Ah, okay. Let's set up a supply there. We don't. That's easy enough done. And we'll see. Okay, so you now want nickel. Okay, but we'll claim that. But we can't actually do that because we don't have any nickel at all at the moment. We have more upgrade points though, so we could probably get some nickel. That seems like a good idea. Let's look at mining loads of more stuff, shall we? I kind of would like to also get some power going. I think that would help. Unlock these. And let's unlock this, shall we? Boom. Unlock railgun so we can get into some form of combat and stuff going on. That's going to be fun to play with. Get some silicon mining as well whilst we're at it. There we go. Awesome. Let's upgrade the... Oh no, didn't want to do that. Upgrade our plastic. Level 2. Kind of upgrade the copper as well, because I feel like that's something we're lacking in the moment. Maybe we'll just cap these out. Well, there we go. We can make iron shells for our railguns, so we can go and get into a bit of combat. That could be a bit of fun. Okay, so some places want nickel. Do we have any nickel anywhere? F. They want just nickel up there. Do we have any nickel ore? No, we've got a couple of deposits around. Let's see, I was going to upgrade the place around Earth to have every type of smeltery in it, but I'm not sure. I'm also confused as to why these aren't picking up like their full amount. He's going to get copper ore 59. Yeah, he can take... so much more than that. I'm very confused as to why... they're not taking the full amount. What's 364s? My brain. I figured this one out. 192. So let's say default is going to be 192, shall we? Alright, okay. So it seems as if that's default batch size is 192. Okay. There have been a few upgrades to this, so you see this is moved up now, so I suppose what I should do is I should go through and remove all of these. Okay. And I should just go only from level 3 places. There. Alright. Yeah, we're going to go with that. So we're always going to have 192. Okay. And then let's go to copper ore. Let's remove these. And we don't have any level 3 copper ores. We do have an asteroid, but that's really slow. So let's go from the level 2 deposits. Shall we? I'm not sure it's a good idea to have done that, because I don't know whether the miners are just going to go, well, I don't know what to do now. The 192, you can store 300. Auto logic set to mining routes. Well, now you're just sat there doing nothing. Maybe that was a bit much. But you can support that. You can do 64, 64, 192. do this. Let's do this. I think I've overloaded it. It's going. I don't like this anymore. So okay. So copper ore, and iron ore. The demand is 0 for iron ore. That's fine. But demand is also 0 for copper ore. Why is this? Why is the demand 0 for copper ore? Well, okay, you can colour me confused because I don't get why the demand is 0 there now. Although I do want to change all the ships to be this design. The smoothie one, because I don't like the look of that. So let's manage. Oh, no, cancel. Manage, no, design. Wall type is going to be that one. There we go. Make them nice and smooth. Okay, you're going to go off and you're going to go and get 179 copper ore, which is a weird number. But okay. Open blueprint. Right. So this is our smeltery blueprint. So we want to expand this. We want to build exactly the same on this side, don't we? Unfortunately, I can't just copy. Oh, no. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't just copy it, so it's a little bit annoying. But oh well. Let's let's do this. So we want a extractor. 1, 2, 4. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okie dokie. A 2 high wall there. 3 high wall all the way around the outside. Nope, got that wrong. Much easier to just hold the mouse button down and use WSD to move. At least you can do straight lines that way. There we go. And put the floor back in. Okie dokie. Now I want level 2. Right along here, level 2. Here. Essentially, I'm just copying the same thing over over one side to this side. It makes so much more sense. Okay, and then a level 1 floor there and there. Right, cubes. Oh. Wait, that way, that way. No, going down, down, There. And what more tubes coming out of here. In, and in. And hopefully I've got this all right. We will see. So that comes in, goes down, goes along. You don't want to input above. You don't want to input above. You want to go. Ooh. Right, what was that? I've just noticed if you don't have anything selected, you can just drag and copy. That's annoying because I could have just copied that. But that's fine. Now I know that for the future. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Now we know that for the future. When we come to upgrade this again, we can just copy and paste, and job will be done. Okay, okay. Hatch. Hatch. I've remembered you can actually drag the hatches on top of the walls. Oh well. There we go. Hatch, 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 hatch. All the hatches. That's all good. That's all good. Okay, don't stop that. In, out. Okay, so this one wants to be an out, out, and an out. This one wants to be an out, and an out. And that should be it. And press K, and we want to add. Well, we're jumping carbon. We're going to nickel. So that one's going to be nickel ore. Sweet. And we're going to add nickel blocks. That one down there, and that should be it for that. That should be good. Okay, save, close, and then if we right click this, manage, and then restore from blueprint, there we go, and then they'll start building their station out. Awesome. Hopefully that's all good. You have more money. We're not quite back at our million yet, so we're actually spent way more than we've done there. And we have one upgrade point, which I think I'm going to put in robot build speed. Just to make them a bit faster. Right, is our station here done? No, it is not. Okay, let's speed up time. Let's get some of these stations and things built and ready and doing their thing. I think I might have made the miners a bit too big. Although it doesn't really appear to be that way. I mean, it looks as if they are outputting just fine. We have got a miner there, I just noticed it hasn't got a decent skin to it, so we'll have to grab that one again when it gets back. That one. You design, set wall type, that. Make you nice and smooth. That's better. That's better. They're not grabbing the full amount. They're only going and grabbing. That's annoying. I really wish they would grab the full amount. Full 192. Why don't they do that? Oh, unless there is a limit on the worlds. I hadn't looked at this. No, it just says 30 per minute. Demand is 78, demand is 80. Okay, what's the demand on copper ore? Demand is 0. Why is it 0? You know what? I am going to upgrade these to 192. So we get large lumps in more often. So our mining chips will be sat around doing nothing for a while. But that's fine. That's fine. Because I feel as if that's going to be the better way to do it. Because if I go to the trade thing now, I mean, demand is 9, which is weird. 70, 80. I don't get why the demand is so. I don't get why the demand is lagging so far behind this here. I mean, this is empty. This is 0, 300. So why isn't it? Recharge station. Not sure. The mine is now 0. Oh, so you actually went and filled up, and then they've come back. Oh, okay, dokie. Right, so yeah, right, okay. So let's have a look at nickel ore, shall we? So we've got a Mop 2 deposit from here. We have no demand. Why do we have no? Oh, I didn't set up the thing. Slow down. Okay. This should be demand, and this should be a supply. Okay. So let's go. Alright, hello, good evening. Welcome to the stream, and thank you for the sub. Thank you very much. You are most welcome here. What was I doing? Trade F. So we want to do nickel from there to there, but we actually want to set this to. Well, let's set it to 128. Let's do that. Let's do 128. Let's set that as our default one. So let's redo our lines. Hold on. I don't want that line. Nope. Delete that line. Shoo. Let's redo that 128, which is just under our capacity for iron ore, and yeah, we really don't want to get the level 3 stuff. Copper ore, we've only got level 2 deposits. Nickel, got a level 2 deposit and a level 2 deposit at 128. Okie dokie. Oh, you don't have any actual input. That's a mistake. Don't. Didn't do that. Copy the machine settings. Copy that one. Paste it all onto there. I wonder whether that affects demand. Whether it knows what the machines can deal with. Don't know. Nickel ore. Mine is 108. Let's try this. Let's try this. So, if I was to change this to say carbon, okay, then we go back into the nickel system. It says the demand is still 108. That makes no sense to me. Why is the demand 108 when there is a 300 place here? I don't get that. I don't get that at all. Four, 8, 12. 12 times 2 is 48. Max of starts. Yeah, it's just. I mean, there's no limit on what there was here. It just says how many you get per minute. It doesn't actually tell you. It's really difficult to see. I can barely see that. But let me actually go and find one that is nickel. Hold on. Nickel is here. So that says 15 per minute per robot. But it doesn't appear to be any sort of limit on it, unless it's a tech that I can only carry so much stuff. Resource items teleported every half second. Let's upgrade this. We'll upgrade that by 1, and then see whether the demand is still 108. See here. So let me unpause the game for a minute. Because it means they're never going to get that, which it could be that we're only allowed to move so many at once. Yeah, because demand is 108 and I'm asking 128. But then these are moving. These are doing the whole deliver stuff faster. The demand for iron eventually goes up. It's 130 now. So why is the demand for nickel not going up? This is to do with this size somehow. I don't. Let's shrink that 275. Nickel. Demand is now 83. So it's to do with the weird. That's really strange. That a 300 block one would only ever demand 108. I mean, I get if that was 150, I'd understand that because that's half the demand. But then why would it demand 108 and then these demand more? Also, that's 525. Why is that 527? Oh. Too big. And there we go. Now Nickel's. Why did they go and get the nickel? I don't get it. Don't get it. I don't understand that. Like 300 divided by 108 is like 2.7. That makes no sense. If it was 150, I'd get that because it's halved. So it's like requesting half the stock to keep it. So that's weird. That's very strange. I don't get that. I was wondering that as well, whether it is something to do with these machines, but it was 108 for ages, and now all of a sudden has gone to 128. So one of my miners went to get it. So if my miner went to get it and actually do the thing, why? Now the demand's going up even higher. I'm confused. I am very confused. Unless it's something to do with what the actual station itself can support. Maybe there's some hidden thing that I don't know about the station. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change all these to be 100. Then my batch size is 100. And I might redesign the miners. Because that's about the only way I can see to actually make sure stuff is moving. Yeah. And that will get stuff moving a bit better. I want that one there as well. 100. How bizarre. How very, very bizarre. Okay, so we've got some new things requirements here. So you are requiring that there. You are requiring... that's the wrong one. You want nickel. So you are requiring nickel. You're requiring nickel. We have copper requirements asked up here. We have plastic requirements. Surely that's... yeah, that's done now. Awesome. So plastic and plastic. Awesome. So now we also want to do an oil drop. From there to there and from there to there. Okay. And now I need to find my water carrier. Liquid carrier. There we go. He's off. He's doing his thing. Cool. Right. Now the problem to this is that I think... oh no, you're going to go. Even though I've got the batch set to 100, they're doing it in smaller batches. That's cool. So they obviously fill up their whole hold if they can't have as much. Okay. Okay. So that's going to get us some new things. So I kind of want to go and blow someone up. You've got lots of weapons here. You've got missile launchers. You've got missile launchers. You have some heavy missiles. You have... Yeah, so I'm not sure that's going to be a good idea to go to and block first. You've got railguns. We can get railguns, but we don't have any composites for armor yet. Iron nickel composites. None of these are our enemy as well. They're not attacking us. They're not actually hostile to us. So we've got all these. What do these worlds have? You've got water. You've got water. You have nothing. You have nothing, and that's beetle guys. Maybe we should go and have a look see up here. Can I go to stations here as well, in the middle of nowhere? Probably. I think we're going to probably want some coolant at some point as well. But I'm going to save my points for the moment, and we will see what happens with what we've got. Let's speed up time. This could probably do with expanding a bit as well. You're doing okay. Right. What do we got here? We got that one there, and we've already done the route for the next one. Go. Auto route that. And then collect. The auto route button's great because it just puts in the next like a line straight away. So it's gonna obviously if we go to copper ingots, it's already put in the supply here for our copper ingots, which is great. Okay, so if demand depends on the size of the drop off. You're dropping things off, you're happy, you're doing things, you're picking up stuff, you're dropping. Okay, so everything is kind of working. I think it's just a matter of waiting for things to go on. Yeah, that seems to be working. Let's go here. Oh wow. Okay, that's dropping out plastic plates. Cool. Not sure how that works, turning oil into plastic plates with blowtorches, but I suppose that's how I do it. Oh, there we go. We're dropping more in. Awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty damn sure using a blowtorch or flamethrower on crude oil will not make plastic plates, but will make a very nice bonfire. Okay, so I think we're going to need some more ships, actually. Let's have a look here. We've got 2 block traders. I could probably do with some more of those. Let's make some more block traders. So, you Ships. My ships. Block trader. Do we want to make bigger block traders? Or stick with the smaller ones? I mean, I could also convert these into block traders quite easily. And just have a fleet of all these. Just make them all. I like that design. Kind of like the idea of that. And just repurpose the internals for them all and just have all of our ships look like pointy arrows. No, I think it needs that much to it. We're probably looking at about 100. About 100 storage, so. What if I was to copy this to make this a Block Trader Mark II? And we will edit it slightly. So how about, let's unpause the game, make sure it carries on doing its thing. How about we remove those, and we put those up here. And I don't think it needs robots because it's a block trader, so put in the batteries at the back there. We will move these walls down. And we'll change some internals as well. So, we want Mark III walls at the back here. Here. But what I want to do is essentially create a large, like, make this sort of pointy-ish. Create a large storage area in the front. So if we removed all of that, delete, and then went with a Mark III wall. So remove right up to there. So, in fact, what I'll do is we'll put those in there so they look like little side pods, and then we'll make a storage area that's big enough to store 100 goods in the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I using Mark 1 walls or Mark 2? I think I'm using Mark 2. Yeah, I thought it was. So how big is that? So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, excuse me for sneezing there if I didn't mute that in time. Oh. Right. And then we want to kind of just make it pointy at the front, don't we? Boom, boom. Oh. Like that. No, I want a number 1 wall, thank you. Okay, and then if we put in a resource here to say this is going to be just iron blocks, how much is that? Sorry, it must be inside the ship. It is inside the ship. Okay, so we need to make it bigger. Let's do it this way. $84, 91. I'm still on that. Sorry. Build me a wall. So if we go like that, and then we bring up that again, move that. Oh, it removes the whole thing. Oh, that's annoying. No. You can't do multiple things at once. Must remember that. Right, cancel. Put in the floor. Cancel that. Press K. Put in the iron deposit, like so. Right, and then put in Mach 3 walls. Oh, that'll do. It can be slightly bigger than it needs to be. That'll be fine. We could put a railgun into it if we wanted to. That's huge, so maybe not. Yeah, that'll do. There we go. And then I'm actually going to smooth off the sides. Doesn't need to be perfect, I know. I actually like having that thicker wall there. I just want to make it look good. You know. Thick walls on the side there. 103. I can drop it down to like 100 and... Ooh. $101. Yeah, we'll leave it at 103, so it's got a bit extra capacity. And we'll just limit everything to 3. So there we go. So there's our trader Mark 2 and save. Okay, and we're going to build. Let's build 2 of them. Boom. Got trader Mark 2. No. And build. Oh, sorry, I was lost in my building there. Is there a final target? There you have to get to level 200, which is this bar down the bottom here, and go to these stars in the top right corner. That's the idea. So, yeah. Might decommission my older... the old ones. Right, so what our raw ones are good because ores never run out, but iron, did anyone want iron? There is a supply and demand. That's That's being done. That's fine. No one else wants iron there. Copper. There's a supply and demand there. Carbon, we don't have any carbon. Silicon, we don't have any nickel. Supply and demand, but for some reason it's not moving. Mind you, the batch is 100. So are they just not doing that? Are my block traders just not? That's weird because they're... Okay, that's a little annoying if the demand... So now the demand is 20 because the block trader hasn't picked up as much stuff as it could. Or it's only picked up what it can. So... what the hell are you demanding now? Mechanical parts! Ooh, dear. Ooh. Yeah. I can see, I can very clearly see why the demands, the default batch is much lower than this. Yeah. Okay. They all want mechanical parts. You want plastic, you're done. Okay. So now they just want iron ore by the looks of it. Or iron blocks, I should say. So, dump and dump. Are you done? Right, you built one. You are going to auto logic set to trade routes. Off you go. You'll do the same once you're done. We've got more going. So we need mechanical parts next. How do we do that? How do we make mechanical parts? Let's see here. Mechanical parts tier 1 are there, which unlocks after steel shells. What do mechanical parts require? Doesn't say. Neither do you. None of you really say what you need until you go to build the station. Fabrication station? Look. Wow, okay. Yeah, it would. I mean, there was a. Wasn't F1, was it? There was a. Here. No, it doesn't actually tell you what the recipes are. It'd be nice if there was a recipe thing, so that we could. Oh god, you want mechanical parts as well, do you? Yes. Okay. Well, I guess that's what we're doing next. Mechanical parts tier 1, yeah. But it would be nice if there was a... let's unlock steel shells, and then let's unlock that. But it doesn't tell you what is required. It just says build station, but what does that station use to make mechanical parts? Or am I missing something somewhere? Blueprints, build menu, resource zones, supply and demand. Resource zones is K, FAQ is F2. Yeah, that's the this thing here. Map, routes, ships, tech tree, production scheme. Ah, of course there is. There is. I forgot. There's a production scheme. You can press T. You can mouse over whatever in here and press Y, and it shows you. So steel plate and copper in a fabricator makes mechanical parts. We are not making steel plate. Steel plates requires iron ingots and nickel ingots. So we're not making nickel ingots either, so we need more of those. So let's upgrade our ingot base at Mars. Design, no, not design, manage, open blueprint, edit blueprint. And what I'm going to do, because I've just realised you can do this now, is quite literally just grab and drag. No, this isn't the same people as Factorio, as far as I'm aware. This is made by... If I click that there... There we go. And then I press H to flip horizontally. And then I can click it. Shouldn't have done that. Just realised I should not have done that. That's okay, we're going to have a double wall in the centre. Click, like that. There we go. This is actually done by... Whoa. Okay. Can't get my mouse out the window. Because we've got that centre one there. That's fine. That's fine. That's not a major problem. Get that out there, and then let's put some hatches in. In fact, do you know what? This could just be a level 2 wall. Because it's an internal wall. But it doesn't actually need to be high level, and if it's not high level, then robots can move in and out inside it without any issues. Remove those off there. Oh, and then let's put the hatches back in there. Let's put one in here. Yeah, that'll do. There. There. They're way bigger than they need to be, but I'm not particularly fast. Nothing symmetrical. Just adding random access points. There we go. This whole thing is not symmetrical. Well, that's just how it's going to be, I'm afraid. Alright, not nickel ore. Nope, that was wrong. We want K. We want nickel. And go there. And that is going to be a demand. And then we want nickel ingots. Yeah. And that's going to be a supply. And then I have no idea what I'm going to do over here. I think we're going to go for carbon, because we should... Carbon's an earlier than nickel, so maybe we should be looking at some carbon as well. That's carbon ore. I didn't want that. We want carbon. Boom, and that's a supply. No, that's a demand. And then carbon ingots. And that's a supply. Okay. I'm sorry for anyone with OCD. I know this is not fantastic, but that's what we're going with. Design. No. Manage. Restore from blueprint. Click. There we go. Right. And now we want to go and find our MCV. And oh, you can be auto logic assigned to trade routes, and then you can jump down to here and you can help build this. There you go. Awesome. Right, final upgrade. Let me see here. Oh, if my Steam not one of what? No, it's made by a single dev. It's made by Ivan Prestikov. So yeah, it looks like it's made by a single developer. Very, very good early reviews. I love it. It's a fantastic game. When you upgrade a place, or say restore from blueprint, so basically if you modified the blueprint, it'll restore it. They only add items, they don't remove anything. So, like if I modified this whole section here and then went restore from blueprint, they'd leave it alone. You'd have to manually delete it and then tell them to restore. So, yeah, it would be nice if you could modify it and then just get them to do that. But then, as I said, if I did that, this would all fall into space and disappear, and that's not really what we want. Okay, so someone wants circuits, someone wants copper. We can do that. We can do the copper. Supply and demand. There we go. Okay. Don't know why that's gone up there. Someone wants copper ingots. We can do that as well. You want copper ingots, and you want copper ingots. Off you go. Awesome. But we're going to have to figure out how to make these. Oh, because I must have a carbon last, didn't I? Can I mouse over these and press Y? No. Got to go into the tech tree. Press Y. There we go. We need steel plates. Steel plates are in a fabricator. Ingots are in a stamper. So we need to build a fabricator. But we also need to unlock steel plates. I don't think I've done that. No, steel plates are up here. So let's get nickel ingots. Because I haven't actually unlocked that tech yet. And you know what I didn't do as well? I've just realised I didn't what's the word I'm after? I didn't assign any of these machines, so they're not going to know what to do. It's a shame you can't just set them to like stamp, and whatever material they get, they just stamp and do it. That would be nice, but I do like, however, that you can filter these. I like the idea of this, being able to filter these. So I could say, hey, take copper and put them down this one over here, and then take nickel and put it down this one here. So you could have multiple places in one and just have everything dumped in the top. Alright, let's claim some of this money down here, shall we? Boom, boom, boom. 950,000, we're almost back in profit. Oh, there's another one. Oh, so close. So close to that 1,000,000 credits that we started at. What are the new demands? Anything new? That's already being done. We can't do circuits, we can't do that. You want multi-tools, we can't do that. You want nickel, we can do that. We can do nickel. That seems like a 50 batch works. Anything above that just sort of falls apart. So I want to upgrade some of these. I'm going to upgrade the stamper fully because that's helpful. I want to upgrade like the iron extraction. Let's go all the way with that. Let's go all the way with that. So we're getting iron ingots and copper ingots as the most effective we can get them. Somewhere wants multi-tools, so I suppose we could unlock that. We can also get energy from carbon. I'd like to make an energy extractor because I think our only expenditure is money. Is power. I think ships are going down and buying power from Earth, and it would be nicer if we could have a supply system for it. Because I think if you create an energy station and mark it as an energy station, your ships will go there to get energy instead of going down to Earth or wherever. I think. I'm not so sure. But I hope so. Okay, so you're going to build out this. That's fine. You could probably do some more robots. Can I modify you to get some more robots in there? I mean, yeah, quite easily, really. This doesn't need anywhere near the amount of power it's got on it. Would you transfer all your energy over? Oh, that... What? Hey. Oh, did my energy carrier just turn up? Did literally the energy carrier just turned up? Oh, typical. Right. Send energy over there. We want to keep like 1,000. You would do it in that order, wouldn't you? Damn you. I want to remove those batteries. Okay. Right, now would you be so kind as to carry on with that? Thank you. Right. Then you are energy carrier, so go and do your thing. Go and buy some energy, that's fine. Okay, so now we've got 4 robots, that's a little bit faster. We've got some more things there. I'm going to upgrade the robot build speed because they're slow. They're slow and I want them to go faster. Go faster. Oh, somebody wants hydrogen. How do we do that? Hydrogen's up here, I think I saw, wasn't it? No? Hydrogen from carbon is down there, so we can't do that yet. Okay, we can't produce hydrogen. So whoever wants hydrogen, that's you. I'm afraid we can't supply you. Why have you got blocks in you? I've stopped. Don't know. You want circuits? Let's go exploring some more, shall we? Where is Mr. Energy Carrier? Whoop, wrong button. That one. Ships and stations. Oh, would you fill up on power? Because we're going to need all the power we can get. We could probably do with looking into Mach 2 batteries as well. Let's go here. There we go. And can we claim this? Yep, it's 10,000. And the colony has been started here. Awesome. Oh, that's got 2 stars on it. Let's go there. That's 100,000. Yeah, wow. Okay. Right. So, if I go into the build mode, go to batteries. What does that? If I hold on, what does that require? That requires titanium gold composite. This requires gold and can carry 10,000. So we might want to upgrade this ship. But I don't think we found anywhere. Have we found anywhere with gold yet? Gold ore. We got gold right there. Oh, and we got gold right here where we are, but we can't afford that. Right. So the ones without stars are 1,000 to claim. The one with stars are 10,000. On 2 stars are 100,000. Right. Let's go down here. Claim. We can't afford that. It's going to be 100,000. Like that. And we can't go any further. Okay. Over here. Hello. I can apparently claim this sector. Will you like that? If I did that, would you blow me up? There is only one way to find out. Claim. Are you sure this will start a permanent war? No. Not yet. The energy carrier does not have any power. Doesn't look like the Greens mind me flowing through their system though. So we can go exploring. Ooh. Okay. They've got iron nickel composite production, copper ingot factory, ferritanium plate production, coal ingot production. Coal? Surely you mean carbon. Which is kind of the same thing, but okay. Right, okay, so they're up there. So the Reds are down here then, I assume. And then probably got someone else up here. Okay. Let's go back home. And then auto logic says energy carrier. Off you go, do your own thing. Okay, what else we got? Oh, iron, we can do that. Supply and demand. Boom. And plastic plates, we can do that. Supply and demand. That's our new colony, just been set up. Okay, so we need steel plate production. So how does one make steel plate production? Steel plate. Steel plate is iron and ingot in a fabricator. So we need to build this station. So where we're going to build plate production? We could do it around Venus, I suppose. I don't know what this circle is. I don't understand that. That might mean there are ships on the planet's surface. I don't know. I keep seeing it appear in different places, but you see it there. Let's build it here, shall we? What's that? Colony established. Awesome. Oh, we get money for that. Oh, can we break the million? Yeah, we are in profit. We are finally in profit. Awesome. Right. We don't want that. We want steel plate production. This one. Build a steel plate production facility. So, nickel ingots. We'll just call it ingot. Because no. Because we will be. Can I summon you here? Oh, no, you're still working. Okay. Oh. Huh. Okay. Q and E apparently zoom in and out. Didn't know that. I want to build another one of these. Yeah, I want to build another one of these. Although I might go give it a redesign because I'm not a huge fan of the look. It's a bit hammerheady. Oh, I think we're going to change all our ships into this like spiky sword design, but there are some built-in constructors as well. The Mach 3 trader there. So the traders have got tanks and blocks rather than just having a liquid carrier factory. So construction ship tier 2. There's a tier 3 one. Not really sure that's necessarily needed. There's a frigate and a fighters. Oh, look at these. And a flagship. Ooh. That's weird. Why would a flagship have a constructor on board? Unless that's designed to make shells. Could be a reason. I want to build that. No, that's designed to take ore and make iron. That's interesting. Why? How does that differ from the construction ship? It doesn't. It's pretty much the same vessel, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to build one of these and modify it. Copy. MCV2. And we are going to get rid of that. And then that's really going to be it, I think. Whoa. That wasn't what I wanted to do. So you can have iron, iron and iron, or whatever blocks are required in those places there. You've got loads of builders, you've got stuff here. That is also a very nice place to put a railgun in. You can't rotate railguns. Oh, really? Well, I could put railguns in either side of that, and then I don't know how I'd load them. Put the ammo back here and then pipe it in. That would be cool. What does it take to build a railgun? Just requires iron. I'm not going to, because I don't need a combat ship, but this ship could also be fitted with, you know, laser cannons. So you could fit it with dual laser cannons and then have more like battery storage down here. We'd have to upgrade the armor on it, which is easy enough. So yeah, save, build. There, MCV2. No, don't pay off. We have a station here that can build things. That's why we have the station here. Okay. Earth is now after someone else. What is Earth after? Earth is after plastic plates. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, I think we might retire the other MCV because it looks a bit funky. And we'll have this one here instead, which is well overbuilt. Yeah, for what I'm doing at the moment, I just don't need any decent walls on things, but I think seriously it would be a case in the future of like this ship design, just get one ship design and modify it for every role. Yeah, that's true. There's no aerodynamic problem. It's just the construction ship looks strange, like very strange. I mean, there's loads of stuff on the Steam Workshop for this, which and some people have built some fantastic looking stuff, I must admit. You know, loads of Star Trek-y things and functional. Yeah, I think that was the idea when I built it. I just went, it needs more capacity. Make it bigger. There we go. but there is something to be said about ships that look good. Right, so the Energy Mark 2 requires gold, just gold blocks. So we could expand this to include gold as well. And carbon, because we want carbon. Let's do that, because now I can just copy blueprints. I didn't realise that could be done before. So open blueprint. And all I literally need to do is go edit and just drag from here up to like there. And go control copy. Then when I come over here, why can't I place out there? All the walls line up, don't they? All that lines up. Try again. Try to just copy. Aha. No? Why? Why can't I do that? Is there a wall? Doesn't line up somewhere? Okay, so how about we just copy up to that wall, but not the actual wall itself? There we go. It's a bit weird because I could do it on the previous one, providing it was the same. That's why I made sure these doors are lined up. But if I just copy that without the wall, and that still says no. Is it too big? Do I have to copy the exact correct size? There may be a limit, an actual build limit going out. So if I put that there, and I go over here, no, there's no build limit. That's weird. And I can just press H to flip this horizontally, and then it should snap onto the. See, it will let me overdo there. That's weird. Okay. Your iron, your copper, your nickel. Then I'm going to copy from that one I just did into those. Okay. Right click. Oh, so it copies the thing as well. So we don't want that. We want carbon. And then copy that machine and drop it in all these. And then these want to be gold. I can't assign gold until I've brought it. So save that. Okay, I haven't actually done the things for it at the moment, but I need to unlock gold. Can we do that? Oh, gold's right up here. Oh, we have 4 points, so we can. We can unlock silicon, and we can unlock gold. Awesome. And then gold extraction. Boom. And we get glass as well, which will be quite cool to use. I'm not going to do. I've got 1 more point left. I'm going to save that for a minute. So I want to go back into here and go edit. You want to be gold. Okay. Copy to all will copy to every machine, so I don't want to do that. I just want to use this copy machine button here. Click the one that I changed, and then mouse over them all. And you hear it make the noise, and then you know it's done. Gold, copper, iron, nickel, carbon. Now we put in the things here. This should be a demand. This should be a supply. I can make the demand larger as well. It wouldn't be a bad thing. Add gold. Resource zones cannot overconnect. Okay. Then we want to add carbon. Yeah. That's a demand. That's a demand. Then we want to add gold ingots. Down here. That's a supply. And we'll add carbon ingots down here. Damn it. And that's the supply. And that should be it. Let me just double check the pipes are actually right. So these, no, that's not connected. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think there was some mistakes in the original blueprint. Oh, there was also a machine that didn't have an output. But I can't see that now, so I'm sure someone pointed out there was a machine that didn't have an output. Ah, that's not. We don't want that. That's gonna. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Okay. Right. Save. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this. Run simulation. Why aren't you doing anything? Why aren't you doing anything? The iron, the copper and the nickel is doing stuff, but the carbon... Well spotted. Well spotted. That would be gold ore, which means I did the wrong thing over here as well. This should be carbon ore. There we go. And it's not ingots. This is not an ingot machine. Go. Look at that. Look, what would I do without you? Thank you. I'm sure Daughter of 22 Gods, it was you that mentioned last time as well that this wasn't connected here and I didn't notice it for ages. But I have fixed that in this blueprint now. So save. Run the simulation. Everything is burning. Everything is doing what it needs to do. It works. The mega machine works. I think the next flow we do is going to be down the bottom here. I'm going to put the rest in here. If we need any more, I don't know. We're currently at 6,000 out of 16,000. I don't know if we actually need any more. There's a few more actual blocks to be made. Really strange that the iron was slower than all the rest when the iron should be the fastest. Okay, so close. So if I upgrade this now, all my ships are going to go wacko, aren't they? Probably. Let's do it anyway. Manage. Restore from blueprint. Click. They just move. That's cool. Right. You help build. And then let's go and find the other MCV, which should be finished now. Yep. We'll keep you around because you could just be useful. Construct. Help build the station. Everyone help build the station. Off you go. So this one has been upgraded. Did I do things right here? I did by the looks of it. This is correct. Copper, carbon. I put gold ingots. Really wish I'd have done this. It's this initial part that I don't like. I don't like. This is the actual default factory, this part here. I don't like the way they've supplied stuff. It's a bit weird. Much for the way I've done it, although I would plan this a bit better than this if I was thinking about it. I should plan it better. I didn't. I really didn't. Right, so we need to bring nickel and carbon here, don't we? No F. So nickel ore goes down there. That's the wrong one. No F. I keep pressing the wrong button. Nickel itself supplies from there to there. There we go. And then carbon isn't been built yet. Carbon ore We have a level 3 deposit there. Cool, that can go down there. Wonder if they'll moan if I start mining their planet. What about gold ore? How are we doing for gold ore? Well, we've got level 2 there. We don't own that though. Can we mine that? Oh, this is 10,000 to build. Can my energy converter do that? Can we store 10,000 energy in here? We can, because you're supposed to have some more batteries as well. Would you go and build this, please? But at least I'd like you to, but where'd you go? Ah, there we go. They were chasing him around. Okay, that's fine. Right. Would you go back here and would you go back here? So go and fill up on 30,000 energy. Oh no, is it? It's 100,000 really, isn't it? That was interesting. It seemed like there were robots coming in here already to take your goods. Was that from here? Yeah, it was 100,000 because this is a level 2 world, so we need 100,000. So we're going to have to upgrade our energy carrier to store way more energy than it currently has. Unpause that. Let me see here. So one, two. So it's just those bits there that I need to essentially change. By the looks of it. So then we should be able to get that all in there. Okay. Kind of want this station done first though, so let's do that. The other thing I'm looking at as well is some of these defensive ships that they've got this, so they've got like iron nickel as a wall piece, which is much better at defending things. But what I haven't really seen is layers of stuff. You've got glass on that. That's a bit iron composite. So I wonder whether you could mix them up, whether you could have like a layer of one type and a layer of another type, or whether that's worth doing. So like, because this is 70% kinetic and 70% laser damage, whereas this stuff is kinetic and explosion. So what if you had this as like your inner hull and then the red ones as your outer hull? So that can take all the damage from the laser turrets, you know, can survive it. And then once the laser turrets eat through this, or if they're firing explosive at you, you can deal with that. I suppose you'd have to scout, see what ships they've got. That'd be the way to do it. Also, this sort of thing, you could build out and then build like a shield wall of different layers they got to fight through. You could have a central ship with a couple of just random lines around it, like proper shield walls. Don't know. Okay, so that's been built there. Are you? Oh, the station's upgrading this. That's cool. Okay, the station can do that. That's cool. Right. I also want to press K, press build. I want to put in a hatch at the back there. Build level 3 wall there and there. Make it smooth and it's got a bit of a pointy nose. There we go. That's cool. I like that. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to delete. Well. Yeah. Yeah, what I want to do is I want to transfer all the energy to the station. Everything. Go. Just pull out all your energy completely. And then we want to delete all the energy. Although we don't want to do it right now because we don't have any gold. We'll need to set up some gold roots. So let's mine carbon from a level 3 deposit to there. And mine gold ore from a level 2. Can I do that? I'd need to claim it. So we're going to take carbon from a level 1. And I'm going to drop the priority on that. So if I forget about it, it won't be used as much anyway. Okay. So do you want to go and get something? It'd be nice if you would. Oh, I'd appreciate that. Okay. It is a demand. Oh, there you go. Hey, you're getting gold. No, they're getting carbon. Carbon's this way. Gold's that way. Oh, okay. Oops. Anyone going to get gold? Although it's the lowest priority, so it will fill up all the rest first. But we are getting carbon. That's cool. You know what? I'm going to delete all these in here anyway. Don't delete that, just delete the thing. And we got double airlock on the back. I'm leaving that because I quite like the look of that. Anyway, so you come through one airlock, got a couple of batteries, come through another airlock. Would you come and construct this, please? Interesting, you chose not to move, but fine. We're going to have Mark II batteries, so I have 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 3. So we'd have 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 2. That's it. And I don't know how big the actual plasma batteries are. Maybe we should plan for that a little bit. Let's see here. The plasma batteries are 3 by 3. So we could fit some of that. We'll redesign this whole thing when we come to plasma batteries. We have gold! We've struck it rich. We finally have gold. Awesome. I don't know why that ship did not jump over here. Bit of a strange one there. Will you do a local jump? Oh no, you got no power. You do a local jump? That would stop the people doing it. Well, you need to do that anyway. Do a local jump. Do there. I'm using that one because this one's almost full and I don't want to waste the resources. Is that construction complete? Yep. Okay, dokie. Right. So build Mark II batteries, and come here. You want to go? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Do go and do that as well, please. You're running quite low on power, actually. Alright. Build Mark II batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 200,000 power. Cool. Unfortunately, we don't have a ship that can actually do anything right now because all of them are full. What have I messed up here? Your copper ingots. I didn't change the recipe. Oh, interesting. Okay. That means you're wrong as well, doesn't it? Yeah. What were you going to be? You were going to be gold, is that right? No, you're carbon. Oh, we can't do carbon ingots yet. We don't know how. Okay. Let's unlock that, shall we? Carbon ingots there. Unlock. Be carbon ingots. Thank you. And then build. Copy from there. Do all of these. Like so. Awesome. Okay, and then we should set up a carbon supply and demand to there and to there. So do we have any iron demand anywhere? You've got 24. I kind of want to. I don't want to raise the resources in this, although I don't need to. I don't need to because I just feel like I can tell the station to build this, and then you will come and get gold. Yeah. I could also put some doors in there to allow people in, but then we don't need people to come in here once it's built. So awesome. Okay. Really need to start using up some of this iron. We haven't got any demand for iron at the moment, although we have all these here for manufacturing stuff. But we need to make steel plate. We got iron ingots. We need copper ingots. Iron ingots and nickel ingots, and we need to make a fabricator. Didn't we build one? No, we didn't. Ah, okay. You go. You go. Build. There we go. Okay. No, I was forgetting something. I should really put tier 2 batteries on this as well. But I don't think that matters. But yeah, I could put tier 2 batteries on this, and then one of these ships will go and get gold. Hopefully at some point, and do what they need to do. But okay, you are done. So station, station, send. Send 5,000 power over. Zip. You are going to be Autologic energy carrier. Then you're going to jump down to the planet. Jesus. And spend 90,000 credits on energy. Wow. And then I don't know where you've gone to. Oh, you're going to fill this station up. I really feel like we need an energy station. That was 200,000 credits worth of energy. Jeez, and I need to fill it up again because I want to go and claim a sector. Holy crap. Okay, it's going to cost us loads of money, but we're okay. We're okay for that. So now you are going to come here and then claim. Blunk. That's half it gone. And then we get another colony here. Is that? No, it's not colonisable. Okay. It'd be nice to know which ones are colonisable or not. I can't remember. Why did we want to come here? Oh, there's copper. There's gold. That's why. And uranium. Let's go scouting. What's here? Silicon, gold. These are gas giants. There's nothing here. This is a gas giant, so there's nothing here. Oh, there's a little gas giant here we could claim, but we can't claim this because it's not connected to our system. There's an asteroid which is going to be full of... I didn't read that. Oh, we met the yellows. Aren't the yellows hostile to us straight away? I think they are. I don't want to get my ship blown up. What I do want to do, however, is oh, I can't. It's level 3. We're dead. Well, that was a waste of a ship. Okay, so yeah, the yellows are hostile to us straight away. They do not like us. Ouch. Ouch. Also, they didn't even seem to just break through the hull. They just literally just went minus 90 kinetic. What do these do? Railguns are kinetic damage. That seemed strange that they just blew that ship up with that. They just took the core out in like a second. How strange. How strange. Oh well, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We can always build another energy ship. That's not a big problem. We could do with an energy station. So I'm making carbon, we're making this, we're making that. You're getting done. What? Wait. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why am I building a I'm building the wrong station. I'm building the wrong station. I don't want that. I want steel plates. We want this one. Well, that's annoying. We'll build our own one. We'll build our own one. That's what we'll do. We'll build our own one. Let's just clear out all this inside. Okay, we don't want any of that inside. None of the tubes, please. None of the tubes. We'll keep the power. We'll keep that. Get rid of all those. Okay. I also don't want any of these weird sticky out things on the end. We don't need those. Okay. Go. We'll build our own fabricator. I don't know how you build a fabricator. I don't know what they look like. Let's have a quick look at the blueprints for one, shall we? Just to so fabricator takes in so it needs it needs 2. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So they're using these overlay pipe things here, which are tube joints. I don't know what they actually do. It doesn't say. Okay, that's fine. We can figure this out. You've just taken down the outside strips to like 1, haven't you? Could you throw some iron over there, please? Right, slow down. Build. Delete all. Right, let's delete this zone and delete this zone. And let's try and figure this out. So we're going to need build some fabricators. Like in the center. Fabricators are... But they need... They need 2 inputs each. Okay. And then we need tubes. Well, we need to have we need to split this supply thing up here, don't we? So let's do an iron wall here. All the way along. You would be. It's going to be another build that's not even. I'm sorry, but I can't do anything about it. Hold on, what do I hear? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that to make it look better. So we want iron ingots here, and we want nickel ingots here. That's 174 nickel ingots and 177 iron ingots. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. And then we need to take the iron ingots and distribute them to all of these, and then nickel ingots and distribute them all of these. That's doable. That's easily doable. So what I'm going to do is actually remove those batteries. And I wonder whether I can. Would you do that, please? Remove those batteries. Thank you. Okay, let's do a level 2 wall there. We probably don't need a level 2 wall, but I'm going to do it anyway. So, tube. We would. That. We want to go this way. Come down and go back. This station's really weirdly designed. And then this one wants to go this way, come down and go back. Okay. So let's remove that one there, that one there. Little dude just still on it. Awesome. Boom. 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 I need to change the whole direction of those, that's fine. I just realised that. Not a problem. So this way to there. So I'm going to hold shift so I can just draw a straight line. So you come down to here. And then you will need to go all the way along to there. Okay. Then we'll have to come down. Don't actually need that one. Right. Phenotube, come down. 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 I could feed them from the top, I've just realised that, but I'm doing it on the sides now because that's what I'm doing. Down. Right. Pneumotube, I don't know why I'm saying phenotube, it's a pneumotube. Whatever. Right. You are going to come down and you're going to go all the way along to there. Then we've got to put in a tube joint. I don't know how tube joints work, so let's remove each one of these and let's hope they work the way I think they work. They will allow blocks to travel around, but not interact with each other. So we'll put a tube in there and then we can run this one down and into that side there. Then this line will go across and then this line will go down and they won't mix with each other. I think that's how they work. Come back down and construct this again, please. Here. Right. So we build a tube joint. There, and then I want that one. We also don't want that one there. Okay, so right. Then we build a tube. Like that. Oh, a bit. Across, down, across, down, across, down. I missed one there. Tube, down, across. You are down. There we go. You are down. It's just not built yet. Yeah, I need to build them. I think that's how this works. Down. Copy tube settings. Paste. 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 Yes, I've never used these tube crossing things before, so I don't know whether this is correct. Okay, so what should happen here is all the iron ingots go in here, and they'll feed all the way to the left. Ignore this end bit here, and then they'll come down. They'll go into this machine, this machine, this machine, so on and so forth. And then these machines will all spew out their goods into the bottom. And then you should be on making steel plates, which is iron ingots and nickel ingots. Copy to all machines, so we only have one type of machine here. And then we want to grab a tube. We'll put it on the sides. I'm just going to put it on the bottom. Out, 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 in. Copy that one and just paste it to all of those. And then we press K and we add another one down here for steel plates. and I'm only going to make it as big as the machines are wide. So. Actually, do you know what we could? Now we're going to make it as big as the machines are wide, and then we're going to put in a wall up here. The last one needs nickel ingots. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Do that. Okay, tube. Shift down in. Like that. There we go. Okay, and then would you come and finish that off, please? Oh, okay. It's not even, it's not weird. It's really weird the station's got a thing on one side rather than the centre, but then if it was in the centre it'd be even weirder to try and do. Demand. Demand. Supply. Okay, so that should work. Right? Yeah? I don't see why not. I think that should work. I do want to build another energy carrier, which I didn't actually copy that energy carrier. That's annoying. Let's just grab the tier 2 one here. I don't know how much that actually stores, that tier 2 one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 110,000. It's 220,000 that one stores. And we just don't want to send it into enemy territory again. But we'll do that. And then if we want to upgrade this to be in the bigger one, we can just take the batteries out and put the plasma batteries here by taking that floor out. That would fit. That would work. I like that. Build. There. Yep. No. Can't. You go and do it. Okay. Okay, so we now need to supply this with some stuff. So we need to supply it with ingots and ingots. So let's press F, press the right button. Iron ingots, supply, demand. Oh. Nickel ingots, supply, demand. Okay, wow. What is it you want? What do some of these places want here? Oil, oh oil. You just want oil? Who just wants oil? Because we can do that. We can do the oil if I press the right buttons. Oil. We have loads of oil around. You want oil. Take oil from there and put it to there. Our energy carrier can go and do that. That's fine. Fortunately, the rest of you want like hydrogen and these. Oh, what do you want now? Is that carbon? Well, we can do that as well. There you go. Have some carbon ingots. So what do we now got? We've got circuits, machine parts, which we're working on. Hydrogen, we're not working on. Carbon is just going to appear, and then coolant. It is if I was going to build a coolant station somewhere. Although, didn't we? No. Oh, that might have been my other aim I was thinking of. Because coolant from water unlocks the refinery. Let's do that. Let's unlock the refinery. Oh, there's circuits. Unlock that as well, because people want that. And so we've got everything unlocked that people want. And there we go. You are now making steel plates, which is awesome. Okay. You do, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Right. So now, in orbit of Saturn, we're going to build a mechanical factory. Because these just require steel plates and copper ingots. Build a station. See that? It's wherever you last mouse over, I think. See, if I mouse over the steel plates and then click build station, it gives me a different station to the one I'm actually looking at. That's where I went wrong with the last one. I think I was in, and now if I press Y again, it's showing me steel plates. So I need to click that, and without mousing over anything else, because if I mouse over something else, it's going to go wrong. So we'll go that one there, build station. Now we've got a different station. That's a little weird. That's a little weird, but I want to have a look at this station. Now they're making steel plates. What? We don't want a steel plate one. We want mechanical plants. That one. How? I'm confused. Is this correct? This seemed wrong. Mechanical parts. Okay, so it is a mechanical part one. No, we don't want to have to build it. Okay. Right, okay. Can't I set you to be a construction chip? No, I can't. That's a shame. It'd be nice to be able to set you as a construction chip and just say, off you go. Not enough power to jump. Okie dokie. Honorice, hold on, am I pronouncing that right? Honorice, yes, Honorice. Have a good night. Right, would you up to there? Build that. Do we have our energy carrier built? Almost. Come on, you slackers. You keep dropping iron ingots to the floor. You done? I think you are. Okay. So, would you be so kind as to transfer just a little bit over? You are going to be set to energy carrier. And then you should go down to the planet, spend stupid amounts of money, come back again, and then go... I don't know where you went. Where'd you go? You arrived here. Okay. Would you go here? And help build that. I'm not sure where you're going to put your batteries, but oh, they're going to go in there, aren't they? Yeah, that's okay. Might upgrade those batteries actually straight away. We might do that. We might put the tier 2 batteries in here and then see whether this will actually go and pick up a different type of ore. Don't know. So you can use the tubes as like a floor on this. Yeah, you can use the tubes as a floor. Okay. Oh, damn it. I wanted to stop that one. God, who wouldn't have got more energy? Oh, mechanical parts is low energy. Why are you here? Stop. No. No. I don't know why you're building those out there. But I'll let you get on with it because it's, you know, a nice looking design, I suppose. No resource zones. Right, so I need to change one of these to be like gold. And then you're going to go and get the gold. Cool. Did my MCV go and charge up as well? It did not. The miners did. Yeah, we really need to get an energy station going, because that is crippling me, the power. Could also do with that energy ship coming back and charging my construction vessel, because it's not very well charged. Okay, so now we need to set up steel plates from there to there, and copper ingots from there to there, and we're going to set up mechanical parts plot 1 there, there, and there, and that'll get some more stuff going for us. Awesome. Right, so I don't know why I've got ships here. I don't get why they come and just park up here at an asteroid, but whatever. Really, Venus should be where we have the. Although we're not. It's not solar panel. It's not solar power. I really do want to build a power station. We could unlock power from carbon. I don't think that's very efficient. Power from hydrogen, power from uranium. We can unlock. There's also power from fuel up here. We could put oil into a fuel refinery and then produce electricity from that. I kind of want to do that and then design my own power station. Oh, we need to unlock that, which means I need to then go and unlock someone else. That's fine. Okay, let's have a look at the fuel station. Fuel setup is there. That just takes fuel and turns it into, takes oil and turns it into fuel. And then we could upgrade this to put power in. Well, or build a new one. I like the idea of building a new one. Fuel power station bomb. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to hold shift and do that for the time being, and then we're going to get the main sort of plan down for it. So you want batteries. I might leave that at the top. We might build a different thing. I don't know whether the game is paused or not right now. What if we leave that at the top and we build like a mushroom design? Two, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, remove that. Now for a Starfleet looking mushroom factory. So we're going to need a lot more power in here than that, aren't we? That's a few. 1, 2, 3. Zoom. I want to go down one more because I want to put in another layer of. Well, no, I don't actually. Hold on, we can go out. One more there. Did that. Oh, I deleted too many batteries outside there. Right, okay, there we go. Right, that's kind of the power that I'm going for. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5, and then 2 and 2. So that's 10, 20, 30, 50, 100,000, 120, 130,000 power. Okay. We're then going to come down. However many there are tanks. What do these tanks cost? You cost iron. You cost iron. Okay, well we'll go with the tier 3 tanks. And we will just fill that entire row up. With 5 of them either side. Okay. And then I think we want to come in. Ooh. There. I'm just making this up as I go. Quite literally, I don't know what I'm... The game is going in the background, that's good. Oh, I thought I did that. Boom, boom. Let's remove all of that. Okay, and then the... Oh, we want the refineries, don't we? Let's see here. So if we went 1, 2, 3. And then we want power generators, and I don't know how big these are. Oh, these are not very big at all. What if we went... like that. And then built. One, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 2, 5. Okay. And we'll run that on the bottom there, and then we'll put the door in the bottom. But this has all got a an interesting looking... It's a giant T. I don't know. I'm just sort of making it up as I go. There we go. Okay, and then we want to put pipes in. So all tanks do talk to each other. So this tank will fill this tank. You see the connections here. So we could technically just run a pipe off the center. I don't know whether fuel refineries do or not though. this is the idea that I was doing here. I'm going to change some of these pipes up. Okay. So. Oh, can you not? Yeah. Oh, that's no. Okay, so you can't edit the pipes like you can the tubes. That's a shame. I didn't want them pipes plugging in at the top and run down. Only the central pipe going down and then everything sort of connecting to it. That's a shame. Should have put more space in between these so we could have a pipe come down. I can still do that. I can still do that. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it like that. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. That's fine. So all of these plug in here. Do you know what? We'll just run a pipe off every one because we can. Why not? And all of these feed down this tubes here into these. Yeah. There we go. And I don't need no robo ports, we don't need other batteries, we don't need anything else here. We could make this out of copper or gold if we wanted to. We don't have glass unlocked yet. We can make it out of any sort of different materials if we really wanted to. I don't really want to. I may adjust this later on to have more power storage in it. But that'll do. Save. Oh, hold on. Edit again. So, liquid type is going to be oil. Copy to all, and we want to demand. You are going to be turning oil into fuel. Copy to all, because that won't affect them. And then you are going to be running from fuel, but we don't have that unlocked yet. So save, come back. Let's complete things here. There we go. We have no upgrade points. That's what I want. We want electricity and fuel. Ba-bum! Awesome. And we are going to try and make this way more efficient early on because I feel as if that's going to be a good thing to do. But let's upgrade that twice. Let's upgrade that twice. We have 3 more points to go. Let's upgrade them both once each as well. There we go. And then if we go down here to fuel refineries, we can upgrade that, which will make stuff more efficient for us as well. Awesome. Okay, so we can then go back into our blueprint, edit this again here, and then we can say, hey, you are going to do fuel, and copy to all because that's the only thing there. And we're going to save, and you produce fuel. Didn't put any tanks in, did I? I should do that. I should do that. Let's adjust this. Let's adjust this because it's wrong. Okay. I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to adjust it completely. So we need some fuel tanks as well down here. To store the fuel. Oh, damn it. Build. No, don't want them. We want those. Right. Remove all the tanks, all the power plants. Put power plants back in again. 1, 2, 4. Then we go up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So all of you are going to come out the bottom. Oh. And connect to these refineries here. You're all going to come out the bottom. and then come straight down into those there, which will supply those. So I want to actually delete those two, and then you're going to come out the bottom. You're going to come down here, and then you're going to supply all of these with fuel. Okay, so you are fuel. You are going to be fuel. Suppose it could be a supply. You're on demand. Okay. So yeah, so you produce all of that. That comes down here. I really wish I'd have put more space in here because I've had the pipes working so much cleaner. Yeah, so that comes down there. That produces in there. You'll burn the fuel. Okay, save. There we go. That's working now. So these couldn't directly supply these. It doesn't work that way. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Hopefully that can keep up with demand. I don't know. Because energy generation is 150 per minute. And this produces... I don't know. Hopefully it can be... Oh, it is. It looks like it's filling these tanks. So that's good. Okay, so it does look like it's filling the tanks. Okay. Let's build this. Let's build. And I can instantly change the hull to be something else if we want to make it like tougher. But build. Void O2 station. No. Fuel power station. Okay. No. What we want to do is we want to go here. We want to go here. And we want to jump you back to Earth. And then we want to say, would you fill up on power, please? Because you are struggling for power. Thank you very much. I'll probably do with having upgraded power cells in you, but now I want you to go over to fuel power station. Boom. And build. Why'd you go above? That's where the core is. Okay, should have put the core in the bottom where the door is. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so what other things have we got now? So we're doing mechanics, so carbon. Supply and demand. You supply and demand. We have no circuits. We have no hydrogen. We have no multi-tools iron. Iron is required. Supply and demand. Supply and demand. Route already exists. Okay. Nickel. Supply and demand. Supply and demand. Coolant. We have a demand for that, but we don't have any way of making it yet. Where is a very good water world? Do we have a level 3 water world? We do. We have 2 of them. But we have one there with a colony. We could put a coolant station here. So we're then picking the water up from the world and putting it on a... I think that's the way to go. So let's build a coolant station here. I'm just going to build one of the built-in ones. I'm not going to... Station. In fact, do you know what? Let's press T. Let's go up here. Oh, click that. Click build station. And we'll put it there. Coolant. No. And then we will go here. And we will get you. To build. Because this is a tier 1 station. Shame I couldn't tell that ship to was that colony upgraded? Yeah, it's a shame I couldn't tell this ship, instead of having like gold, iron and stuff like that, I couldn't say this is a place for blocks. Just any block, any construction material. So it will go, oh well, I need some silicon now, or I need some uranium now, so it will just go and grab it. But then it would have to be smart enough to know how to put things on. Okay. Right. Oh, someone's tier 2 circuits. Well, you're not getting them. We have another upgrade point. I kind of want to put it in some of the machines down here, because I feel as if that's going to help us. They use more power, but they produce more speed. I assume that produces more speed. I don't know what the hell that means there. Let's upgrade our nickel ingots, shall we? Or no, let's upgrade the coolant. Anyway, job done. Give ships energy. There we go. Okay. So now we have a station that gives ships energy. There we go. He's going to come along and he's going to suck all the energy out of it. Maybe I shouldn't have quite done that yet. Maybe I should have actually let the thing get going. That would have made a little bit more sense. Okay, do we have any demand for this yet? Oh, I keep pushing the wrong button. So oil. We have a demand here. We've got 2 oil deposits. Why have I not been? Oh, I have. Let's do that. Okay. So we're now going to have a ship come along and might even drop some oil in here. No. Oh, there we go. It's filling up with oil, which means the refineries are going. Cool. So hopefully we can get this going before we run out of power. A little worried about that. There we go. Hopefully this makes enough power. If it turns out that we are producing way more fuel than we're using, I might just expand this down and have like it ripple about a couple of times, and we'll build more of these at the bottom. Or I could go out here and run lines along. We could have a it could come in and then go out again. What is this? Yeah, I think we're using more power than we're producing. Machine is using 0.12 megawatts per second. This is generating 75 per minute. Calculator, 75 divided by 60 is 1.25. Oh, it needs. Oh! I didn't look at that. It needs coolant as well. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 I. Blah, 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 blah. How do I get coolant in there as well? I've got to upgrade this blueprint, haven't I? This doesn't even have. Does it? Yes, it does. Yes, it does have blueprint. Yeah, station, custom, fuel station. So we need coolant as well, which means I need water tanks, and then I need to somehow get coolant into these without mixing the pipes. How do I do that? Well, okay, let's edit this. Let's build it on this side. I'm gonna build little wings underneath it, and we will. So I want a tank. There. We want a refinery underneath it. There. Then we want another tank underneath that. There. That'll be water demand. This will be coolant. This will be coolant. And it's very simple because you just go plug, plug. Then the coolant needs to get to all these, but I don't know how to do that because I haven't planned or got enough space for them all. I mean, what I can do is something like this. I think this would work. Level 3. That. Now we'll put a hatch in there. And that'll work. And then we'll put in power generator. There. Then this pipe goes Whoa. This pipe goes down here to those. And those. I could remove all those pipes there and have it just feed from that one. And that would work. And then we can go down to level 1 here. That's all going to probably become a level 2 thing anyway. And then we could run coolant pipe. No, that's not going to work. I need to move these down even further. That's okay. That's okay. We can do that. We can do that. Okay, so basically remove the bottom of this. Oh, sorry about that. I've just poked myself in the eye. That's not very smart thing to do. So yeah, so we'll run the pipe along like this, and it will come out this side as well because we're going to copy that. Do H, paste it there. There. Coolant. Close. Bob, like that. And then that will come across to there. That will come across to there. No, it won't. Won't. Because what I think I'm going to do. Actually duplicate up these like this. So let's put in a power generator. So we'll do there, 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 and there. That's all connected to coolant. And then we'll run the pipe underneath, like so. So that feeds from the top and the bottom, and then the coolant feeds from either side. That will work. That will work. Okay, I could bring these in closer if I wanted to, if I cleared that out there. Might do that. To remove all this. Does mean I'm going to have to modify the actual thing itself. Can I move stuff? Can I do that? No. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. We'll leave it like that. And then what we'll do the whole do that to there. That right? That looks right. Don't know why I'm doubling up the walls. It just, I like it. It looks good. I think it looks good. There we go. That was hatches. Didn't want that. That's wrong. I wanted level 1 wall, level 1 floor. And then want to put a hatch there and there. Hopefully that hatch is actually better than that. I might put a hatch up here as well. If I could actually... No! I want level 3, damn it. If I could actually hit the centre block. That's what I wanted to do there. That one, that one. Not sure why that's all messed up, but it will look better on the actual thing there. So that should work. So hopefully these will produce enough coolant. Right. Save. Okay, run simulation. Are you going to work? Are you not going to work? Don't get why this isn't working. Well, we'll build it and find out. So, close, and what we need to do here then is we need to go into build mode and delete all of that, all of that, all of that. So there, I think. Okay. And hopefully we can get this working. And actually have a working fuel station, which would be nice. Would be very nice. Because unfortunately, all it's doing right now is just draining the power away. Although it is filling up with stuff, so that's not so bad. I also don't get quite how the robots work on this, because they start over there, then they run over here, and they come back again. I don't... Yeah, watch his rubber here. He'll destroy some things here. Then he goes over here and destroys some things. Then he goes over there and destroys some things. It's like, well, why don't you just destroy the stuff that's close to you? I do not understand. Design, set wall type. Let's make this... No, that's horrible. Set wall type. That one? Yeah, that one's right. Manage. Open blueprint. Nope, wrong button. I'll let you remove all that. And then we shall upgrade the blueprint. And then we shall call it a night for this stream. I normally finish at about 10 o'clock. We're going to go a little bit over because I want this to work. I want this to work. Okay, there we go. Right, so manage, restore from blueprint, build. Am I missing a robot? Might be missing a robot. I just realised something as well. I need to delete all of that. Well, so if you would be so kind as to delete that quickly, that would be wonderful. Do the little delete first. Thank you. Thank you. Do the delete first. Kind of difficult to build new things when there's old stuff in the way. Ah, it looks like their doors are working as well. That's good. Take those down and also take out the pipes. Hey, you're going to be done, aren't you? You're gonna actually be done. Manage, restore from blueprint. There we go. Awesome. So the things are all there now. That's good. That's what I wanted. There are some bits missing. That's concerning. Why are there bits missing? Right. Also, we want to do water. Supply and demand there, which we might as well. Supply and demand, supply and demand. I don't quite know why that's all like that, but then we're going to do exactly the same here. So water, water, water from level 3 down to there. Cool. And do you know what? We're also going to do that, but we're going to drop the priority on these. Because we might as well sell a little bit to the computer if we can. Why not? Okay. Hopefully one of our miners will come along and go, hey, I can fill that up. Cool. Probably actually make one of these lines no, it should be okay. That's a demand, but that's going to only have one chip on it, so hopefully we will have more soon. Why manage store from blueprint? Why have you not done that bit in the center there? That's a little weird. Okay, I can do it myself, but confused as to why I didn't want to do that. Oh, no, that did work. All right, you copy it all. Hey, there we go. Right, so now that fuel station should work once it gets some water. Why is it not getting any water? We only have one liquid carrier, don't we? I think that's probably why. And right now he's doing this one here, which is making coolant. Which is fine, but I've just dropped the priority on that one. Although what I should have done was actually put that back to normal, and what I should do is these ones I should up the priority on. So he'll come and fill down this one first, because that's what we want. We're filling up with water, aren't you? Yep, there we go. 30 a minute, awesome. So this should go, this should work. So you fill up. You reappear here. You come here, you fill that up there. These start pumping away, producing coolant. Coolant drops into these. These start producing energy. And Oh, there we go. We have a battery charging. We are producing more power than we're using at this station. That is awesome. We also have a net gain of fuel and a net gain of coolant by the looks of it. So I could in fact turn off some of these machines. Save a bit more power. And just have like 2. So what do you need? Oh, you need... It doesn't actually say what you need. But if I click it, it does. If I right click it, yeah. So 11 fuel and 11, yeah, so 11 fuel and 11 coolant, 0.011. I don't know. It just says water 2 produces coolant. It doesn't actually give me the physical numbers. Current production cost. Production cycle is 12 seconds. It doesn't actually give me how much, but we are making more coolant than we're producing. So, but we have a net gain of power, which means this is actually producing power, which is exactly what we wanted. Awesome. I may upgrade this. I may have hugely underestimated the system. We may only need like a few tanks, like 1 tank of oil, 1 refinery, 1 fuel for however many. But yeah, this is working. I am happy with that. And we're level 58, so we're doing pretty well. But I think this is where we're going to call it for the night, and we'll come back next time and carry on with more. So yes, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I hope to see you again in the next one. And until then, as always, have fun.